Hello everyone. Welcome back to Automatic Posting Software channel, where we take the most mind-blowing tech tools and make your life easier. Today, I've got something for all the creators, marketers, and even the meme lords out there, the MKT Viral software. This isn't just another fancy tool. It's your ultimate powerhouse for auto-downloading videos across multiple platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Douyin, and automatically editing them to perfection. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Okay, let's start with the obvious. We're all guilty of spending way too much time jumping between platforms, downloading videos manually, and then opening up some clunky editing software to make it post-worthy. It's a nightmare, right? Well, say goodbye to those late-night editing marathons because MKT Viral is here to save your sanity. Here's how it works. It auto-downloads videos from all the big platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, you name it. No watermarks, no hassle, just pure content goodness. Then, like a personal editor who doesn't complain about deadlines, it goes to work. Trimming, adding captions, throwing in some smooth transitions. It's all done automatically. Oh, and it even optimizes your videos for each platform. TikTok vertical? Check. YouTube widescreen? Check. Instagram Reels? Triple check. Now, here's where it gets spicy. You can set up custom presets, want all your videos to have your logo, a killer intro, or that cinematic filter you love. Boom, done. It's like having a Hollywood-level editor on speed dial, minus the crazy price tag. Think about the time you'll save. I mean, while your competitors are busy fiddling with settings and re-uploading files, you're already 10 posts ahead, sipping coffee, and plotting your next viral hit. Oh, and for the memers out there, this tool makes it insanely easy to churn out content faster than your friends can say, "Send me that link." But don't just take my word for it. Drop a comment below if you want me to demo how this works, or better yet, tell me what feature you think would make this even better. It's already loaded with everything you need. So, if you're ready to stop working harder and start working smarter, click the link in the description and check out MKT Viral. Trust me, once you try it, there's no going back. Like this video, smash that subscribe button and share it with your fellow content creators. Because let's face it, we're all in this viral race together. Alright, I'm off to let MKT Viral handle my next batch of uploads while I binge watch some Netflix. Thank you, and see you in next videos.